U-Advocate Mpofu S.C. uthi uMafe akazange enhlobo azivumele ukuthi washisa isakhiwo sephalamende wayengelwa ophathe.
It is not a confession to start with. It fails all those three tests. On the common cause facts, my learned friend again, to his credit, admits that the so-called diagnosis might have been, I don't want to overstate what he says, might not have been the best in the world. Let's just say that.
Uthi uMbuso awuzazi ukuthi wenzani njengamanje ngoba wathi uMafe uphazamiseke ngokwengqondo kodwa wona futhi uthi wavuma ukuthi washisa isakhiwo sephalamende.
State say this person is not of sound mind to the extent that we have a diagnosis to it. But that very same state says that that person is capable of doing a confession, and that's just one, not even being a lawyer, it just offends anybody's sense of justice.
Ezincwadini zomthetho akukho la kubhalwe khona ukuthi uma umuntu ephazamiseke ngokwengqondo kumele anganikwa ibheyili.
Bail application does not deprive necessarily a person from, or rather the diagnosis, even if it was valid, does not deprive the person of the opportunity to apply for bail.
uMpofu uthi uMbuso kumele ubuyelwe unembeza njengoba begqume umuntu izinyanga ezinhlanu ezitoksini ngento engekho.
We're dealing with a human being here, not different from me, from you, from anybody else. Presumed by the Constitution, no less, to be innocent like me. And the day we don't take into account the fact that that human being has been sitting for 5 months in this winter in jail, and that part, or a large part of that, is because of the things that you are describing, Justice Tulara.
uZandile Christmas Mafe waboshwa mhla zimbili kuMasingana nonyaka kanti phakathi kwamacala abhekene nawo kukhona elokuthungelwa ngomlilo impahla. Ngingukhalvin Dludla wezindaba ze SABC.